Happy Sunday. This is your favorite go-to gift girl, Simply Sarita, with 31 gifts coming to you and wanting to say first and foremost, thank you so much for stopping by the 31 Gifts booth yesterday at the Winthrop Airmasters Markets. It was such a pleasure to meet you all. I truly enjoyed our conversations, and most of all, I enjoyed being able to help you have an opportunity to earn something free. So I have entered everyone's names that completed a door prize slip, and also if you made a purchase, your name is on the wheel, and we are going to let the wheel decide who is the winner of a $25 free gift. Ready, set, go. And drum roll. Debbie, the boss lady, the boss Avon lady. Congratulations. We are definitely destined to be in communication. Debbie lives in my same community, so I'm so looking forward to handing off your gift. Otherwise, I want you all to remember to be blessed, be organized, and be the best version of you. If you would like another opportunity to win another free gift, please join me. Follow me on my Instagram page at Simply Sarita, and also join my VIP group at Simply Organized with Sarita at on Facebook. And when you join those two social media platforms, I'm going to add your name one more time, and then tomorrow night we will do another drawing. How stinking amazing is that? Now go and be fabulous. Thanks again for stopping by Simply Sarita's 31 Gifts booth at the Winthrop Airmaster Markets. Make it a great day.